Hi everyone and welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Shocker, I know. It's actually kind of a two-part Dollar Tree haul. So I have some summer seasonal items. I have some car organizational items for upcoming video, and I just have some cult favorites. So if you're into that kind of thing, stay tuned and let's get right into this Dollar Tree haul. You guys know I love one. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's get right into it. The biggest item I have. It's this. It's a bubble flying disc. There's a picture right here. I love bubbles for my daughter, and this looked really fun. I'm assuming that you just pour bubbles down in this clear part here, and then you dip the tray and you throw it like a frisbee, and then a bunch of bubbles will come out. But it says great for parties, the beach or the park, outdoor events, and family fun. So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see how it is. We love bubbles. The flying disc. And to go along with it, I got some bubbles. You guys, bubbles are like my favorite thing to buy at the Dollar Tree. Look how big this is for $1, and it's 32 fluid ounces. They have different sizes, but always go for the big one. You get more bang for your buck, and I think this is the cheapest price for bubbles. So always stock up on your bubbles at the Dollar Tree. I got 2. And then y'all know I love the little activities. And I like buying them for my neighbors because my neighbors come over a lot to play with us. This one is like a DIY wind chime, and it has the little pieces. They have red, white, and blue. That's kind of the thing right now, like for the 4th of July. And it includes the string and a paintbrush and the wooden pieces, and it just looks really fun. And then I bought, so this one's like a little sailboat, and then I bought I guess I bought 3 sailboats, and I was trying to buy 4, and I got the wrong one for the 4th one. This one is another wind chime, but it's not the sailboat. So one of the girls will just have to do something different. And this one is different colors too, but that's fine. They'll still have fun. I got 4 of them. These were actually by like the main entrance when you walk into my Dollar Tree, and usually they're on a different aisle. So I was shocked I found them. So just keep your eye out. They kind of blended in weird. And then I bought 3 other things. I got this one. It's like a little fishbowl, some flip-flops, and a palm tree for my daughter, just for activities. I'm not obsessed with the markers. In fact, I'll probably just pull out some paint for her to do these, but I like having these on hand for little activities. So those are activities. And then I saw this and I had to get it. It's a sand toy. It's a little boat, and it has like these sand molds. I think this one's a duck and this one's a fish. And I got this. We go to a lake, and so I like to buy my lake toys from the Dollar Tree. Some of them last more than one summer, some don't, and then I just toss them. So this is for that. I usually get like shovels and little sand things. And then I got this watering, I don't know what these are called. What are these called? And it has a picture on it. I don't love the picture. I'll probably take it off, this little sticker. But it's my daughter. We have gardens, and so she can water with me. And I have one that's bigger. It's like this giant pig. It's really cute, but it doesn't have a soft spout. It's kind of a harder one. So like with our more delicate flowers and herbs, the water's too harsh on it. And so this is a good size, and she can fill it up herself. And I was going to buy one of these on Target, and it was like $5. This was $1. You guys know I love that. And then sunglasses for a toddler, because you don't need fancy ones. And then I also got her more modeling clay. I saw it and we were out of ours, so I got modeling clay for her. And then just some more little like kid activities, sticker books. I love getting my stickers at the Dollar Tree. And these ones are Dr. Seuss ones. And then glue stick, because we were out of glue sticks. And then I got a little notebook. I bought a notebook at the beginning of the year. I bought a notebook at the beginning of the year and my kids destroyed it. So I got another one. I'm going to try and keep better care of it. It's for my scripture studies. And then I got this giant dry erase block. And I got it in the school section mainly because I'm trying to teach the ABCs to my toddler. So I thought it would be like a fun game to roll it and see which one we land on to learn. And then just a couple more cult favorites. I got some Tupperware because I'm all out. And that's why I buy Tupperware at the Dollar Tree. These are the Betty Crocker ones. I love these ones. They're the perfect size. They're very sturdy, very durable. It comes with 2. And we like to have these on hand for leftovers, for lunches, or if people come and we're giving them food. We're those type of people who like give food when people come over for them to take home. So like if we make a cake or dessert or we have leftovers, we'll just give it to them and we can say, take our Tupperware. It's not like our nice glass Tupperware. It's Dollar Tree one, so it doesn't bother us. So we got 2 of those. And then I needed some more aluminum foil. We usually buy foil at Costco, and I forgot it last time, so I bought this one. And it's sometimes nice just to have the sheets, and this is 30 sheets for $1. And then my neighbors just had surgery, so I got a couple things to make a little gift bag for her. I bought the stuff like at Winco, and it just had some sugar-free stuff, like pudding, sugar-free pudding, and like Gatorades. And then I got some stuff at the Dollar Tree. So I got her a word search. I love getting word searches at the Dollar Tree. I love doing these. If you always look up here, it says $4.95, and it's really $1. So always get your word searches at the Dollar Tree. And then to go along with her snacks, I got pistachios and some trail mix. And it probably would have been cheaper at Winco, but I forgot about it, so I just got these for her at the Dollar Tree. Okay, let's get into this fun part. So please subscribe, because I have a car cleaning and organizational video coming up soon. If you subscribe, you'll see my videos, and it's pretty exciting. I've wanted to organize this car for a while, and I've been doing my research and trying to find good things from the Dollar Tree to organize with. And it also needs to be clean. So it'll be like a car cleaning and organizing video. So I'm going to show you what I got for it. Okay, first things first is like the cleaning. So I actually, in my video, I'll show you what I'm going to clean my car with. And I bought this stuff at Target. But I bought these because I've seen everywhere that you can use these sponges in the bins. And so I got these for that. Also, it was only $1. And you guys, it's more expensive at Home Depot. So pick up your sponges at the Dollar Tree. So I got this to clean. And then I got some wipes just to add into my car, because you always need wipes on hand. So this is not to clean or anything. It's to keep in my car. So I got those at the Dollar Tree. And then I bought these, and I don't know how it's going to work, so we'll see in the video, but I got 2 of these, and these are in the teacher section, the school section, and it's pocket charts. And I got these to hang behind our chairs. My daughter kicks the chair so it gets really dirty, so I'm hoping this will prevent that. And then I can also stick little activities in it. I was kind of looking for one with like more of a shoe organizer, but I didn't see one there, so I went with this. So we'll see. And I'm just thinking I should have looked in the like laundry section and maybe they would have had a shoe organizer. So maybe I'll go back. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these just in case, and these are like little chair organizers. So I might do this instead. And I kept my receipt, so if like it doesn't work, I can take these back. And then I got this. I've just heard really good things about this handy chamois. People say like on Amazon you can, like, they're way more money, so get them at the Dollar Tree. It's a name brand and it's good for drying your car and it cleaning up stains and spills, and so that's a great thing to always keep in your car as well. We'll see. I got one. It's pretty soft. And then I got this little, they call it a coupon holder, and I can keep it in the glove box to organize insurance and stuff. And then also you can keep coupons and receipts in here. We always have coupons on hand, so this is just a nice way to organize. And then I got these. I am obsessed with this pattern, with this style of organizing. I think it is so cute. This is for pencils, but I'm gonna put this in like the little container in the middle. I don't know what that's called either. And then I can put like pencils in it, or earphones, and then I can put sunglasses. So I'm gonna see how this works, if it fits. And then also I got this, they didn't have white. I was looking for the same color and they didn't have it, so I got gray. And these are just smaller. I may use these, I may not, but they're a smaller one. They also have big ones of these. Like, they're so cute, and they come in blush, gray, light blue, and white. And then I got 2 of these for trash cans. You've probably seen this all over, but it's in the container section, like the Tupperware section. It has a little pop, and you put a bag in it, and it's the perfect size for a trash can. And I'm really hoping my kids will use it as a trash can. I got one for up front and one for in the back, and I'm excited to use it. Also, these are just really great for your pantry. So I got 2 of these. They also come in a smaller size, and I got the bigger one. And then last but not least, my very favorite things. I'm so excited. They're these containers, these baskets. So I'm pretty sure these are seasonal because they're kind of like a beach basket, and they are slim. See that? They're really slim, and so I got it to go in between the chairs because there's a little space there, and I like to put blankets. So I got one to go there, and then there's a stroller in the back, and I have these big baskets right now, and so I'm hoping to line a couple up in the back and have the stroller go to the side of it. I just like them because they're narrow, and I think they'll hold what I need to hold. So this is all I got. But you guys, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. Because they are kind of a more beachy bag, or like a pool bag. So they'd also be good to just like keep all your pool stuff in, and then you just grab the bag and go to the pool already in your car. Or great for sand toys. Just whatever, I don't know. I also bought another one for that gift basket I'm giving away for the lady who had surgery, because I like to do baskets, like plastic ones, instead of bags, even though that's the best place to buy them is the Dollar Tree. I like a basket because then they can reuse it, and I don't like holding on to gift bags, but something like this I'll repurpose and I'll use it for something else, like a storage thing. So I got 7, and these only came in the gray and the blush. They only had 2 blush ones, and I just got them because I thought they were so pretty. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. These look very much like a Target item, and they're pretty durable and good quality. Like, obviously if you're hard on them, then they'll break, but they're $1 and they're really cute. So that's what I'm gonna do to organize this car. And give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see, because it will help my channel out so much. And stay tuned for this car organizing video. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on my channel. And I just hope you remember that you are awesome and amazing, and I'm so glad you came today. Bye.